Hello friends, in this video we will be looking at some of the certification courses which are free online by Google. And this is a page where you can get the certification courses. All you need to register in this website or sign in from your Gmail account or register from this website. I have given the link in the description so that you will be directed directly to this page. You need to register with your email ID or Gmail account, and after registering, these are the online courses by Google Digital, and after registering you will have the interface like this. After registering, there are 134 courses which are free of cost, and this course like fundamental digital marketing, which includes certification, free of cost. So please grab this opportunity. These are the different categories where the certification courses are available, that is data and tech, digital marketing, career development. These are the different categories, and there are also the duration of the course is also given. The course length is under 2 hours or from 2 to 10 hours or 11 to 20 hours or 20 plus hours. So depending upon your availability of free time, you can learn either in 2 hours, 2 to 10 hours or more than 10 hours. Let's see what are the different courses. There are total 134 courses which are free. The first course is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. There are 26 modules and number of hours are 40 hours. So this also includes a certification which is free of cost. So after learning, we'll be having some tests. After that you will get the certification. So this is free of cost. And another course by name Get a Business Online. There are 7 modules and number of duration of hours are 3 hours. The next course is make sure customers find you online. There are 4 modules and number of hours are 3. There are different courses, total 134 courses. The another course is Promote a Business with Online Advertising with modules of 5, 3 hours course. Expand business to another countries, only 1 module, 1 hour. So these are the different courses which are available free of cost, and some are having free certification, some are having paid certification. So these are the course providers. First is Google, Applied Digital Skills. These are different course provider names: Virginia University, Goodwill Community Foundation, Grasshopper. There are different courses: how to enhance a project, how to enhance and protect your online campaign, land your next job, understanding basics of code. This is only 1 module for 1 hour. This is a basic lecture. These are different courses which are having different modules and number of hours. As you can see, a machine learning crash course is of 3 modules and 15 hours, and elements of artificial intelligence of module 6 modules and 30 hours, and technical support fundamentals. There are 7 modules and number of hours are 19, and there are also various classification of courses: customer segmentation and prospecting, fundamentals of graphic design. There are only 4 modules, so that you will have some amount of knowledge after watching or taking this course. Conflict transformation. These are the different courses where you can learn and get some certification so that you can utilize the time usefully. I've given the link in the description so that you will be directed directly to this page to utilize. This is about online free certification courses. And if you're first to my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel Wi-Fi Study Karo for further updates. And that's it for now. Thanks for joining me. Please do share with others so that they can also utilize this opportunity. And please do comment if you face any glitches regarding the registration.